Hello everyone, my name is Michael Ueda, and today we will be looking at the websites of the Anesthesiologist Assistant Programs at South University of Savannah, Georgia, and Emory University of Atlanta, Georgia. We will be covering the topics in terms of content and design. As for content, we will be looking at the information the potential student requires. This is the information that a student absolutely needs for admission into the program. This information includes campus map locations, curriculums, and prerequisite requirements. We will also look to see if the information is actually correct, as some websites are not very well updated. As part of correctness, we will also look at if the information is actually helpful and if the presented information does not require a student to dig a little deeper. In terms of design, we will look as if the pages are easy, if the pages are easy on the eyes or if they are just hard to read, if the information is concise, well structured, and organized. This is all to avoid confusion and the ability of the website to present a message clearly. We will start off with the home page of each website. The home page lays the foundation of the website experience. South University emphasizes requests and more effort to find information. That being said, their website still has a much easier font to read. Emory University has a traditional and a smaller font that make it harder to read and doesn't look as user-friendly. The website does not emphasize requests, as all of the information that a student needs is on the website, as we will later see. We will now look at prerequisite presentation. South University graciously provides a table that is easy to read with a font that is legible and provides concise and clear information. For Emory University, we will see that the information is spread out on a bulleted list that has a worse overall effect on the reader. This type of list is not intuitive and not well structured. A person has to scroll down in order to find everything rather than it just being all on one page. For the website maps and location information, we can see that both of these schools have location data, but there is one that is harder to find than the other. South University does not provide any of the information that you see here. They do not even provide a campus map unless you request a pamphlet. Emory University, however, has a great amount of content in this area, as all of the information you see here is accessible via a campus visit link. Statistics information can also be a very helpful tool for prospecting students. Emory University has a table this time, but the most recent statistics come from 2010, as you can see here. It is not up to date. The information is also not thorough and has a minimalistic but concise design. South University statistics are only found after digging through the website and is deep into the admissions tab. The data is again easier to read and thorough with more information. It is also up to date to the point of 2015, which is also very helpful. The site navigation, as you can see in the bottom here for Emory University, is structured around clicking on top headings that lead to new links. This leaves an impression that this navigation bar is well organized and helps a student find the information that he or she is looking for. South University, however, has two different FAQ sections, as you can see here, and they both lead to different pages. This can be very confusing to a reader and does not present concise information, but rather introduces redundancy. The navigation bar is also just one long string of links with no new links popping up. The effect is less organized navigation and the user requiring more time to get all the information that they require. The layout of the curriculum is a necessity for a prospecting student. South University also provides a table here and is easier to read and more concise. However, it does not provide descriptions like Emory does, as you can see over here. There are specific time frames and schedules provided that Emory also does not have. Emory also has no organization with this page, as it is just another long string of information, but it provides an in-depth look at each class. In conclusion, South University provides an easier to read and modern design with well-developed and up-to-date info. It doesn't really include a campus map, which could really be helpful for a prospecting student unless you order it through a pamphlet. The need to order pamphlets to obtain further information becomes apparent. South University also provides information in an organized manner by the use of visual aids such as tables. South definitely gets the award for better presentation and design. Emory University is rich in information and the navigation is well organized. All the information is mostly on one page without the need of scrolling, with the exception of the prerequisite page. All of the information a student needs is available online as requests and pamphlets and is therefore the better website in terms of content. Thank you.